Today I'm reviewing the Hotpoint HFO3032WGC standard dishwasher in white. I've left the labels on for now. As you can see at the bottom here, the product comes with a 10-year guarantee. I'm going to talk you through now the different controls that we've got at the side of the digital display. So if you look at the first button here, that's your power button. And then button 2 is for selecting your programs, and I'll come back to that one in a minute and we'll talk through more in detail about that. This one here is the 3D zone wash. We found that's really good. That saves energy. Not as I can comment on that, but it claims to increase washing performance, and we've been really happy with the results on the back of that. And this is the turbo button. So this reduces the duration of the programs that you set. You can actually reduce the time that it takes, but they're still as effective. The key lock button here, you can hold that for 3 seconds and that will actually block the controls. So it's good if you have children, it will stop anybody messing around with it. And then you can reset then to get full control back on there. This one here is extra dry. So that improves your drying of your dishes. You've got more effective drying after your wash. And this button here you use that based on what tablets you're using. So that will optimise your performance according to what detergents are being used. This button here we've not actually used, but that's a delay button. That will delay the start of your program. So if you wanted to load your dishwasher in the morning, go out to work and set it so your dishes are ready just before you get back from work, you can use it to do that. And this button here is your play and pause button, so that will actually start your cycle once you've selected what program you're using. It's also a drain out button as well, so that will stop your program whenever you press and hold that and drain out the water that's within the dishwasher. Okay, so if we turn the power on here, P1 is basically referring to program 1, and you can press your program button here to change your programs. If we look on the top of here, you've got all your programs listed from 1 to 10. Number 1 being Eco, number 2 is Auto Intensive, number 3 is Normal, number 4 is Fast, number 5 is for Delicates, number 6 is an Express Wash, number 7 is a Night Setting, 8 is Sanitising, 9 is Soak, and number 10 is your Self Clean. So we're going to set up on a normal wash shortly, but I'll just show you in here first of all. Okay, so this is where you can put your tablet, and also your tablet goes in there. And you can also put your rinse aid in here as well. Okay. If we open the bottom drawer first of all, there's lots of room in here, and you've got 2 separate containers for your cutlery, which can be removed. They can be put wherever you wish. And then again, on your top shelf, these can be adjusted for when you're putting in glasses, be it tumblers, wine glasses, whatever. And then you've got an additional tray on the top that can be put in as and when required. So we've found that again really handy depending on what sort of wash we're doing. Okay, so as you can see, we've filled the dishwasher up now, and we'll close everything up. We'll show you setting a program. Tablet's going in there, and then you've got your program options on the top here. We're probably going to go for normal, which would be a number 3. Okay, so if we shut the dishwasher now, that will tell you exactly how long your time's got. We find that really handy. And something that we've also been impressed with is how quiet the machine itself is. So if we close this now,
put the turbo on as well.
We shut that, we'll put turbo on 2, and then we'll set it to go. That's an hour 47, so that's reduced it by quite some way. And then we're good to go. Overall, we're really impressed with the product, the effectiveness of it, the efficiency, and as I say, it's really quiet as well when in operation, so I can't really fault it in any way. I hope you found the review useful, and thanks very much for listening.